Wayne from the BWC Publishing Channel. I'm going to show you how to set up a chessboard so that you can start a game. We'll show you how each player moves and how it captures other pieces. So stay with us and we'll show you how it's done. Okay, you want to be sure that white square in the corner is to your bottom right. There goes the rook. They go on one on each corner. Next comes the knight. That's your horse. Goes next to the rook on both sides. Now your bishop goes next to the knight. Queen goes on her color, white on white, black on black. So the queen goes on that white square. King goes on the other one. Now on row 2 is all your pawns. There'll be 8 of them. That's the little guys. Now you're going to set up the other side, or your opponent will set up the other side just exactly like this. There you have it. You'll be ready to start a game when the opponent's set up. Now let's see how they move. Here's your rook. He can move forward and backwards, left and right. He cannot move diagonally. He cannot jump another player. There's your knight. He moves in an L shape. 1, 2, 1. Or 1, 2, left 1. Or he can move up 1, left 2. Or up 1 and right 2. Now he can jump a player. He's the only player on the table that can jump another player. Your bishop. He moves diagonally only. Like this. Forward and back. Forward and back. He cannot move anything other than diagonal. Your queen, she can move any direction, as many as she wants. Forward. She can move backwards. She can move diagonal and back. She can move diagonal that direction. She can also move left and right. Here's your king. 1 square at a time is all he can move, but any direction. 1 square, see? Whoops. One square. Now your pawns, on the opening move, he can move 2 squares. From then on, only 1. 1 square. Let's see how they attack. First off, we're going to castle. He moves 2 to the right, and the rook moves the other side of him. If you want to castle the other direction, king moves 2 to the left, and the rook moves around him, like so. So that's castling. Okay, now the rook goes to a square where the opponent is and just removes him from the board. As long as he only moves diagonal. The knight can L shape. If he lands on a square of an opponent, he removes it. Same way with that direction. Bishop moves diagonal to the square where the opponent is and removes it. It's captured. Same way in this direction. Pow! Capture that pawn. Your queen. She can move any direction, as many as she wants to, but she can't jump a player. But she lands on an opponent's square, she captures it. See? The king, he can only move 1 square at a time, but he can capture things. In any direction, 1 square. The pawn moves one square diagonal to capture somebody. If the king is in a position where he'll be captured next move, you must call check. See how the queen moves there? Next move, she'll capture him. Now the king must either move out of the way, capture that person, that player, or move something in between it. In this case, the queen will get him on the next move. So if he moves, let's see where we can move to. If he moves right, that bishop will get him. He can't move there. Moves up there, that rook will get him. Moves there, that bishop will get him. In this case, it's checkmate. End of game. King can't move. He's gone. Let's start another game.